Nominalising verbs. That means turning verbs into nouns. Let's have a look at the difference using some English examples. Okay, we've got the verb write. I write a letter. That's a doing word. It's a verb. That's easy. But have a look at writing and consider this example. I like writing. Writing is a bore. Writing in Japanese is difficult. Now, in each of those sentences, writing has been used as a thing, as a concept. It's been used as a noun. That's what a noun is. It's a thing. And in English, to turn write, the verb, into writing, the noun, you simply add ing on the end. Now, in Japanese, it's almost as simple. Let's have a look at the verb write in Japanese, kakimasu. This is a two-step process to turn it into a noun. The first step is you need to replace kakimasu with kaku. In other words, you need to change the must form, which is the polite form and is not used within a sentence, to the plain form. Now let's bring the plain form down here and replace kakimasu. So that's step 1, kaku. And the final step, or step 2, is simply adding koto to the end of that plain form verb. And koto means thing. It's not a tangible thing. We can't touch it. It's not that sort of thing like a table or a chair. It's an intangible thing. It's something we can't touch. An idea, a concept, something like that. So kaku koto is the thing which is writing. That's a noun. And now we can use that noun group in any sentence where a noun would normally go. Let's make a couple of examples. We're going to begin by making the sentence, I like writing. Writing is the thing that we like, so it goes at the beginning of our sentence. Now we use particle ga after the thing we like to indicate that's what we like. And then we finish it with suki desu, I like. So, kaku koto ga suki desu. We can use this same system to say, I can write. But instead of using suki desu, I like, we simply swap it for dekimasu, I can do. Kaku koto ga dekimasu. We can also extend our noun group. So instead of simply saying I can write, we can say I can write Japanese. Now we're going to have to make that noun group a little bit bigger. So let's pop our verb down here. Move across ga, move our noun group across. Now we have to extend our box so there's room for Japanese or Nihongo. Let's include Nihongo. It's what we're writing, it's the object of that verb to write. So we have to place object particle o afterwards. And we now get as our noun group, Nihongo o kaku koto. In other words, the thing which is writing Japanese. And it's what we can do. So we put the whole thing together and we get Nihongo o kaku koto ga dekimasu. I can write Japanese. And again, if we swap dekimasu for suki desu, we can use the same basic sentence structure to say I like writing Japanese, or Nihongo o kaku koto ga suki desu. Now there are lots of other sentences that you can make using this plain form verb plus koto pattern. In fact, any sentence where you can use a single noun, you can use one of these noun groups instead. So have fun making sophisticated and fabulous sentences using this pattern.